through an analysis of AP exams taken by the students of the school. It is a distinct honor for a high school to be included on the Washington Post list. Fewer than 10% of high schools around the country are identified for the list. In 2017, only 9 of 200 Idaho high schools in the state were included, and among them are all 4 Boise District Comprehensive High Schools. It is my pleasure to announce that, once again in 2019, for the 11th consecutive year, when the Washington Post list is published in May, all 4 Boise high schools will be included. Now, for Coberly High School, this is also the 11th year in a row, in fact, the 11th year in a row that the Eagles have been included on the Washington Post list. As such, it is my special pleasure to present the 2019 Washington Post Most Challenging High School Award to Principal Sandy Winters of Capital High School.